What's up, everybody? Me and my sister Amanda here, and we are bringing you all a fabulous, very romantic look, perfect for the season, whether you're celebrating Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, Self-Love Day, International Women's Day, and Amanda's birthday. Amanda's birthday is the day after Valentine's Day. Don't forget to wish her a happy birthday. We have got the perfect look for you. We pulled together a roller set on Amanda's long curly hair. So really just thought that it would be super cute to bring you guys this lovely style that is perfect for any event, especially Amanda's birthday. And I gave her her birthday present in this video. Now, Amanda, I don't want you to choke on your food, but I think now is the perfect time to give you your birthday gift. What is it? Oh. Ta-da! What is this? I'm not so surprised. Open it up. Wow.
Nice box. Anna Louisa jewelry.
Wait, I want to put it on you. Okay.
Oh, these are beautiful.
I got you some pretty jewelry to glam up your look.
Thank you.
Yeah. So why don't you put your jewelry on and change. Then Amanda's going to come back and we're going to show you guys the final look.
This is the earrings that she got me.
Mm-hmm.
This is the necklace. It's really nice. I would probably even wear it like separately. Like they're not connected, these necklaces, so I can wear them separate. So I would probably even just wear the pearl one like by itself. It's really pretty.
But you're missing my favorite part. Look at the ring.
Oh yeah, the ring's really nice too.
It looks like a braid.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So I love it. It's like hair.
Yeah.
If you haven't heard of Anna Louisa Jewelry, they are based in New York and create really, really beautiful pieces. So I will link them in the description below if you want to buy something for your loved ones, for Valentine's Day, International Women's Day, your own birthday. It's really, really beautiful stuff and it does not tarnish.
I really like this gift. This is probably the best gift you've ever given me.
I know. I put a lot of thought into the gift for Amanda, and Anna Louisa came through because I was really late with ordering, and they made sure that I got my stuff on time. So shout out to Anna Louisa Jewelry. And if you like these individual pieces, I'll put their names and the links below in the description. But for now, let's get to the hair, shall we? Because that's what we're all here for. Let me just show you what she was looking like before the video. What are you? And here's how we did it. Here's a quick rundown of some things you're gonna need today. A water bottle, some light product, your hairbrush of choice, a fair amount of clips, a tail comb, and completely optional, you can use a hooded dryer. And last but certainly not least, and most importantly, your rollers. So the first thing I'm going to do, and most importantly throughout this style, is I'm going to make sure her hair is thoroughly wet all the time.
But wet in my
If
face.
it's not, oh, I'm sorry. If it is not wet, the style will not work because the whole point of the magnetic rollers is that they can see. I'm sorry, it's dry there.
It's going in my ear.
Yeah. Number two, I'm going to be spraying in my detangler. My detangler doesn't have, it's not like cream base, it's just very light because if I'm putting too much heavy product in Amanda's hair right now, the style is going to be weighed down. It could be a little bit greasy. Oh, that was a really nice brush. Truth be told, this is my first time using a Denman brush, like an actual Denman brush. We ordered it on Amazon.
I ordered it on Amazon.
Amanda had to order it on Amazon. Ooh, and it's really good.
You're welcome.
She's probably gonna steal it from me, so
it's mine.
you are welcome.
It's technically mine because I bought it.
Sharing is caring, everybody. As I was saying, you must make sure the hair is consistently wet because that way it will cling to the rollers and you will be able to get a good, even, consistent tension as you are rolling so that your style is really nice afterwards. So she's thoroughly detangled, prepped, and now we're ready. So I will be sectioning her hair and I will show you. Pro tip, if your section size is thicker than this is about 1 1/4 inch, and wider than this guy, you will not get a nice tight set and you will have random curlier pieces and it just won't be a consistent style. And we're gonna be working up the back first. So Amanda, we're gonna say goodbye to your lovely, beautiful face. Goodbye. 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 And I'm gonna give you a very important job. You will pass me the rollers as I need them. Okay, okay. You start at the bottom and you work your way up the head. Amanda has some very difficult and stubborn little baby hairs. But I'm going to take a clean horizontal section. And by clean, I mean it's a straight line. Clip your sections away. Stay controlled. Gotta stay in control. Spray. And I mean, this section is very tiny, but I will be applying my cream, my smoothing serum, cream, whatever you're using, to each individual section because I want to make sure that it's going to be consistently spread throughout the head, which can be hard when you are applying all at once. And from here, let me show you. I'm going to turn your head. I look at the section size. I look at the width of it. I'll take my biggest rod and I'll place it there. And if you sit it there and you notice that there's hair hanging off the sides, this roller is too small. You either need two, or if I take two of the smaller ones, that may work just fine. So in the nape of the neck where it's a weird kind of crevice, I'm gonna be using two smaller ones in this case. So I'm using my tail comb and I'm making sure that combed all the way through. There are no little hairs that will be, causing me any issues. If you have a lot of layers in your hair, it's gonna be complicated to do this. And in this section, she's got weird short baby hairs and a long hair. So what you have to do when you have layers and different lengths in the hair is you pull the hair up until the shortest length, and you notice I'm pulling the hair out at a 90 degree and I will wrap it there. This is when you have all kinds of different lengths in your hair. So make sure that it wraps around all the way, tuck in the ends, and then roll the rest up and clip. These are my little ones, my little two prongs. The first one is in. I'll show you guys again on the second one, and I'll really slow down and show you the first few, and then we'll speed through things. So all together now. Combing top to bottom, making sure all the hair is smoothed out. I'm gonna bring my hand down to her shortest layer. I will take my roller, and I think it's easier to hold the roller in your non-dominant hand. So I'm right-handed, I'm gonna hold the roller in my left hand, and with my right hand, I'm holding the hair and I'm wrapping hair around it first. And you gotta pinch the hair and the roller together while you're rolling up. Make sure that it looks nice, tight, and smooth along the roller. So I like to work from left to right because I'm right-handed. So it's easier for me to work my way along the head like this. Roll, roll it, gal, roll it, gal. Right. And another thing that's very important is you can't be like wobbling your hand around the whole time you're doing it because that f***s up with your tension. Make sure it's wet. Comb the hair out 90 degrees. By 90 degrees, it will roll into the section nicely and you'll get it really nice and tight at the root as well. I'm gonna have to do some more styles with this brush because I like it. As you start to reach the top of the head, you're gonna have to round your section all the way around the head. Just remember to follow, the 1 inch rule or however thick your rod is. Make sure that you keep that consistent width all around your section. Now, in her top section, I'm going to work this up straight. So I'm no longer going horizontally, I'm just going to work straight across up her head because the curls will all come backwards and give her a little bit of a poof up here. Give her some volume. Not that she needs it. But, okay, the back is in. Let's rise. Show them. This little piece was just too small, so I'm just gonna incorporate it into the front, but this is what we're looking like. And I will now be moving on to the front sections. Okay.
Oh, we still have to do the front?
No, I'm gonna leave it there. You're keeping this for your graduation.
Okay, we're right.
So here's the situation. We are very low on the red rods at this point because Amanda's head is so big. So I will be moving on to the next size down, which is these green turquoise rods. Now I know I put in 2 red rods here, which I will keep in mind because on the other side, I will also put those rods there. That's all I have left. So in the meantime, on the top, I'm gonna be using a smaller, slightly smaller rod. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna have you turn your head. Because of Amanda's hairline, she has this, yeah, well, it's called the recession for a reason. She has this recession.
Seriously?
No, well, it's just what it is.
It's receding?
No, I have it too.
I'm so confused.
Your hairline comes out here. I'm going to take this section from the end of this rod to the opposite side. This hair is about an inch. This is about an inch here. I will put its own separate rods in here. But from here, I will continue to work my way horizontally through the back here. Amanda's gonna tip her head down, tip down. And as you see,
The grudge.
okay, this is the bang section I was talking about that I sectioned away. I'm going to place the rods in here now. You can do it 2 ways. You can either roll it all back, or you can continue placing in the horizontal sections. They will give you 2 different looks. Now in Amanda's case, she has some bangs in here that if I roll horizontally like this, they will get some really nice full definition in the roots. So I'm going to be putting them in horizontally like so, all across this section. Now you can wait all day for this to dry, or we got a soft hooded dryer. I'm excited. I mean, you can also take your diffuser and kind of just hover around, but we're gonna try this thing. Let's open it together. Unboxing. This we also got on Amazon. This goes over the head. If this doesn't fit, I'm gonna be really mad.
Oh,
Okay.
hats never fit my head.
And then you pull the string. Okay, so with the soft hood dryer, it says you have to use it on low heat. So you just grab our blow dryer and you just stick it on the other end here, and it looks like there's some ventilation. Let's see this together. You cannot remove the rollers until the hair is completely dry, or all the hard work and time, blood, sweat, and tears that you put in to create this style will go to waste.
That's it.
Aveda, did you get a haircut? Really big, bouncy curls that will fall as the week goes on, but I think she looks beautiful.
Thank you.
We will make sure that we link everything that we've used, from products to tools to jewelry, in the description below. Again, shout out to Anna Luisa for making Amanda's birthday come through. So thank you guys for joining us. Let's wish Amanda a very happy birthday. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. And before we go, Amanda's gonna read our shout outs of the week.
Our positive comment goes to Sunny Murphy. Actually, this is kind of a funny one, so I wanted to read it out loud. I had to scroll through your videos to see if your hair was actually naturally curly, or you just got a perm or something.
Not a
I
perm.
thought that was funny.
What's our question of the week?
And our question, what shampoos would you suggest for someone who has scalp psoriasis?
I have never dealt with psoriasis. I've had a couple clients in my chair that have had psoriasis, and it's a very hard battle because everyone's scalp will react to things differently. So guys, if any of you have psoriasis, please let's let our friend know what she can use. All right guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We had a great fun today, and we will see all of you next week. Peace. Welcome everybody, and Amanda, are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready. Go.
She can't stop touching it. Stop touching it. Okay. Roll it, yeah. Oh, that's gonna be the theme song for this video. I'm just having fun brushing it now.
You're getting it all over my face. Stop.
Okay, sorry. What are you doing for Valentine's Day?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet. Me neither.